What's going on, guys? Figured I'd record this just out at the ranch today. We got to paint some still targets way over yonder, so thought I'd make for a little excuse to do a point of view drive, off-roading anyway, in the Raptor R. All right, let's go over to Baja mode, and then we're gonna go back to 2 high, just because I don't want 4-wheel drive. And so that should be pretty fun in its own right, but we're gonna take it a step further. We'll just go ahead and turn traction control off, or advanced track. Okay. Mom, you're not a big fan of off-roading, are you?
No.
Why not?
I'd rather take a roller coaster.
This is better than a roller coaster. Isn't that better already? Nah? Yeah?
No.
He said no. That's so smooth.
If you say so.
Now we could kick up a lot of rocks here, so because I like the paint, we'll not do that. Little dip here. Dang, that thing just spools up so fast.
Oh shit.
All right, a little bit of range maintenance. Good enough for now. Look at that view. All right, so just for fun, what I think I'm gonna do is keep it in my normal mode this time. Go R mode, which is gonna go sport steering, regular suspension, and then Baja exhaust. And then just go into holding traction off, see what it does without Baja mode, because Baja mode really holds the gears a little higher than I need for what I'm doing, I think. Let's confirm. Yeah, that should be plenty fine. Go a little slow here because the rocks. So nice. That kicks up so much dust. Look at it from way back there. Ah, so nice. Well, Mom, thoughts?
Speechless.
She is speechless. All right, that does it.